Hello, my name is Lottie, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the patient and clinic list feature in Accurx. This feature is a handy way of uploading and storing your lists of patients in Accurx so that you can easily contact them by SMS. It can save you time searching for each patient individually. Let me show you how it works. If Accurx is integrated with your patient administration system, instead of manually uploading patient lists, we can automatically pull your patient lists into Accurx, and they're called clinic lists. Here you can see all the upcoming clinics grouped by date. As you can see, you can search upcoming and past clinics by clinic code, responsible clinician, location, and date. You can view all patients on each clinic list and take action to message them. You can even contact all patients in one clinic list at once by using batch messaging. Please see our video on batch messaging for more information. With each patient on the list, I can choose to start a video consultation, message the patient, request a copy of their GP record, or message their GP practice. If Accurx is not integrated with your patient administration system, you can also upload and create your own patient lists manually. I'm now going to show you how to do that. Here are all the patient lists that have been created in my team's workspace. When I click on a list, I can see all the patients on that list. To create a new patient list, click Create New List. Give the patient list a name, for example, the date of the clinic and clinic type. Add your patients to your list. You can add patients to your patient list by either individually entering the NHS number and date of birth of each patient, or by uploading a CSV file, a type of Excel file, here. The CSV file must have all the NHS numbers of your patient list in column A and their dates of birth in column B. The list has been successfully uploaded. As Accurx is integrated with the personal demographic service of the NHS Spine, it pulls through the details of each patient, including their most up-to-date mobile number stored against their GP record. Make sure to share your list with your workspace so that your colleagues also have access. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact our support team, who will get back to you within 5 minutes.